upping the ante over poll rigging claims, Rahul Gandhi has now launched a vote chori website calling on citizens to show support for the leader of opposition's call for digital voter rolls. But the Election Commission has fact-checked Rahul again, releasing fresh proof that the document shown by the Congress leader was fake and not issued by the polling officer. More on this in our next report.
It is critical that we expose voter chori.
The war of words between Rahul Gandhi and the Election Commission is escalating. The leader of opposition has launched a website and public connect number on the alleged vote chori, seeking public support in his endeavor to take on the poll panel.
इस कैंपेन का पूरा समर्थन कीजिए. प्लीज सपोर्ट दिस कैंपेन फुली. हमारे वेबसाइट पे पूरा का पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन है, डेटा है. आप इस मूवमेंट में शामिल होइए और हिंदुस्तान में जो वोटर चोरी हो रही है उसको रोकने का काम कीजिए.
The Election Commission, meanwhile, has rejected Rahul Gandhi's claim of voter fraud in Karnataka, saying that the document shown by the Congress leader about a voter Shakun Rani voting twice was fake and not issued by the polling officer.
70 साल की आयु है. एक बार फॉर्म 6 का प्रयोग किया और उसके कुछ ही महीने बाद दूसरी बार फॉर्म 6 का प्रयोग होता है. 2 बार इनका नाम वोटर लिस्ट में आता है. ये फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर हो ही नहीं सकती. तो क्या शकुन रानी जी ने वोट किया या किसी और ने शकुन रानी जी के लिए वोट किया? ये ही छुपाने के लिए सीसीटीवी का डेटा हमें नहीं दिया जा रहा है. और ये शकुन रानी जी अकेली नहीं है. ऐसे हजारों लोग हैं जिन्होंने फॉर्म 6 का प्रयोग करके 2-3 बार वोटर लिस्ट में नाम डाला है.
The Karnataka Election Commission has also clarified that Rani stated during investigation that she only voted once. The poll body has demanded Rahul Gandhi to back his claims with real proof and not fake data. The Election Commission has also moved the Supreme Court against the misleading allegations, asserting that no voter is deleted without prior notice. The Election Commission further said petitioners cannot seek the name of voters deleted from Bihar. The opposition condemned the EC's refusal to submit deleted voter names, saying that the poll body has demolished free and fair elections in India and is trying to threaten the opposition.
The entire world is watching that the Election Commission has completely demolished free and fair elections in India. It is shameful the way Election Commission is trying to bully and threaten leaders of opposition. The Election Commission should come clean and answer Rahul Gandhi's questions. If they feel something is wrong, come and debate it and try to erase it. Instead of erasing that, they are erasing proofs that Rahul Gandhi has given.
हमारे नेता आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी ने पूरे तरीके से पूरे देश के सामने कच्चा चिट्ठा खोला चुनाव आयोग का. ये पूरी तरीके से चोरी बेईमानी करके चुनाव जीते हैं और आज काशी के लोग अपने आप को ठगा हुआ महसूस कर रहे हैं.
But the BJP backed the poll panel and dared Rahul Gandhi to furnish proof and not just level fake allegations.
Rahul Gandhi's vote-tempting issue has become damp squib. It has failed. Madhepura people have given a befitting reply to the falsehood claim of Rahul Gandhi.
BJP also told Rahul to stop backing inclusion of Bangladeshi and Rohingyas in the voter list.
जो लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन उनकी जो मानसिकता है इस देश को बांग्लादेश बना देना चाहिए. जो बात वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में करें, ये बात तो चुनाव आयोग कह रही है ना कि 4 जगह नाम है, उस नाम को काटेंगे. SIR तो यही है, लेकिन वो बांग्लादेशी वोटरों के नाम कट रहे हैं. इस कारण से उनकी समस्या है.
With the major protests planned by the opposition, all eyes now are on whether Rahul Gandhi can present the demanded proof to back his vote chori claim. Will the political showdown exhibit the hidden rot in India's voting system? Bureau Report, India Today.